Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to delete Instagram search history. So before that, you need to make sure that you're using the latest version of your Instagram application. So once your Instagram application is up to date or updated, you can now open your Instagram. So I will be showing you a few ways here in order for you to delete Instagram search history. First, what you're going to do is go to your profile and tap on these three lines at the top right corner. Here you have to simply scroll down, and then this time you have to look for your activity, and under your activity you should see here recent searches. And in order for you to delete Instagram search history, you just have to clear all searches right here, or you can just delete one by one. But I haven't searched anything, so you can't see any search right here or search history right here. If you do have, just tap on clear all searches, you will see that option. Another way in order for you to delete Instagram search history is just going back to your settings and privacy, and then you have to simply scroll down and look for your information and permission. So you have to scroll down, tap this one, and you should see this search history right here. You can tap on clear all searches if you want, but you can also be very specific for your Instagram only. So you can also select the date if you want to just basically delete last hour, yesterday, or all time. So basically, these are the ways and how to delete Instagram search history. You can clear all searches or you can just do it one by one. Okay, so that's how easy it is to delete Instagram search history. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.